Hi guys, good evening. Magluto tayo ng dinner guys, simple dinner. Shrimp egg noodles guys. Shrimp egg noodles. Ganyan guys, oh. Masarap ito guys, masarap yung ano niya, yung sabaw niya. Ganyan lang siya guys. Simple lang. For dinner. Lutuin ng medyo matagal guys, yung noodles kasi thick siya. Thank you so much.